question. Sir, I'm really happy and excited right now. It's a moment of great pride and joy for me, my family, and my entire school. And sir, my feelings right now, it's something I believe that I can't explain at this moment because I'm too filled with joy and happiness as of now.
So you attribute your success to who are the people that teach
So,
you.
first and foremost, God Almighty. So, I live by the principle that the chief end of man is to live for the glory of God. I believe that God had blessed me with these intellectual abilities, and so my main aim was to work as hard as possible so that I can glorify His name through the talents He has blessed me. And also, sir, my parents, of course, because of the sacrifice, the countless sacrifices that He had done for me, and I'm very happy that I have wonderful parents like them. And then my teachers, because they were willing to help me at anytime, whenever I went to them, they would always help me, guide me on how I should prepare, and that's why I'm really grateful to them as well. Also, sir, I have to thank my friends, my classmates, because I believe that the group that you hang out with, the people that you spend most of your time with, they also influence you a lot. And so the friends that I had, the classmates that I had, were the best of the best, and because of them, I got to grow in many ways, and that's why I'm here today.
So what was the method of study?
Sir, I started preparation very early. I started from day one. I started studying. I used to study every day. I studied consistently. I put in the hours, and then by mid-December, by the time school got over, I was already done with my syllabus. And so after that, it was just revision. And as exams came closer, it drew nearer, I started putting in more and more hours, like 10, 11 hours. And yeah, that's what I did. Study every day with consistency.
So digital devices, you depend on too much on them.
Sir, yes, I was kind of dependent on them. I used various devices. I used my phone, internet to research on various stuff. Use ChatGPT a lot as well. Yeah.
But there are students who
Sir, it depends on the person. I knew myself very well. I knew I would be able to exert that self-control. That's why I used technology to the best of my advantage. But for those who cannot control themselves, it's better that they don't.
What are your future plans?
As of now, I'm planning to pursue economics. I want to give UPSC in the future. That's why.